Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, my today's video is extremely unique and creative because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful design ideas of hand embroidery, 3D floral patterns of hand embroidery. All of these are very beautiful corner based, motif based, floral embroidery patterns that could be used for designing your dresses. So you can make these very beautiful floral patterns onto your dresses, shirt necklines, onto your sleeve borders, onto your trouser borders, onto your ghera daman chalks as well, onto your baby girl dresses, for making hoop arts as well. So the scope is not only limited to this, you can also use these very beautiful floral patterns for designing your accessories like glass covers, mobile covers, handmade bags. And when you can embroider these patterns for designing very beautiful home decor items like bed sheets, pillow sets, cushion covers, quilt covers as well. So you can use embroidery thread like anchor DMC or wool. Even you can use silky threads as well, and you can use sewing thread for making these embroidery patterns also. That would go absolutely well. So I hope that you like my today's ideas, and stay tuned for new and more upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching our content, keep supporting us as you always have been, so that we can grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. So stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.